Conversation nosne it's not easy and people were surprised ukuthi libhubesi lasemzumbe uMpumelelo the only person can start a conversation nosne and finish the conversation nosne guys usne angahambi or angakhali because we know that when there was ne guys she will cry or she will leave. So guys uMpumelelo and Sneh they were catching up as siblings talking about impilo nje na uMpumelelo was asking what's going on because I heard ukuthi wena bayakulobola. Usne was like the guy was very serious. He wanted to pay amalobolo. Kodwa social media did me dirty. He saw pictures of me drinking and trending. The guy was like, no, I cannot marry this kind of a woman. So ngempela guys, Usne they wanted to marry her. Unfortunately, it ended in tears, And she did reveal ukuthi the reason why she was calling Musamsalaka a toy is because the way Musamsalaka was treating her compared to Mpumelelo. And people are saying, wow, Mpumelelo he's a present brother, guys. So for the first time they see someone like Usne having a normal conversation. We know that every time me Musamsalaka and Sne they try to have a conversation, always and the other way around. Usne uzokhala ku direct section athu baba kangithandi naye Musamsalaka you'll be saying stuff yo kuzoba nzima guys, but when it comes to Mpumelelo they were so chill guys. You can tell ukuthi Usne she was very comfortable, she was relaxed and she was just enjoying having conversation with her little brother. Mpumelelo guys umbiza ngosese guys, you can see the respect. As people are saying ukuthi Mpumelelo he might not be a good boyfriend but he's a good brother guys. He's trying, especially Usne. We know that Usne kunzima to have a full conversation Usne. So anyway guys, let's have a conversation. What do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.